Good afternoon, everybody. Yes, I was me, Millennial Investor 1914. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't made a video in such a long time. I decided to take a couple weeks off because at the beginning of December, I went hard. At the beginning of December, I made, I want to say 5 to 7 videos, and I was uploading and editing and dropping them back to back, and I created a TikTok account and yes. So the goal for 2024 is to double my subscribers. So double from me having 2,300 or so subscribers to 5,000 subscribers. The goal is for me to double this portfolio. This portfolio right now, as you see, as I scroll down, has a portfolio balance of $50,657. So if I can get this portfolio to at least 65,000, and hopefully through some good market gains to get up to at least 75,000, now we cooking. And now, and if this is not your first time here, you know that this is one of my portfolio. So if with me contributing to this, contributing to my 401k plan, contributing to my rollover IRA. I also have a Roth IRA that I plan on contributing $500 per month. And then also, if you pay attention to my last video, I plan on contributing roughly 1,000 to roughly $1,100 per month starting next week will be my first payment into this portfolio of $1,000 per month because I'm trying to get my compounding fast. I'm trying to get to roll to 100K. The goal is to all my portfolios get it to 100K. I foresee myself getting meeting that goal roughly 2 years, but in this portfolio, 3.5 years. So if I did the math. If I contribute roughly 1,000 to $1,500 per month, I can get this portfolio to $100,000 in 3 years, 3.5 years. I also need some good market gains and market appreciation. So, but if it goes to recession and my portfolio goes down, it's even better because then I'll be buying shares at a lower price. And when the market finally do go up, it's like just like how it did in November, December, my portfolio will go up a lot more. So if you've been paying attention, my portfolio is a lot different than it was as I started in 2023. And I sold out of realty income. And then, so that's what you see right here, this cash balance of 1,400. And I'm going to sell out of Starbucks on tomorrow. So that's $2,931. I'm going to start a position in Aflac. I'm going to start a position in SCHD. I'm going to increase my position in MSCI because this is my one of my growth companies that if I keep it and have it compounded for at least 15 to 20 years, this stock right here, I'm hedging that this stock is going to pay me a lot of money in the future. Just don't know it yet. Also, I was also been trimming a lot of positions, and I've been adding to my Microsoft because you can see beforehand at some point when I did my last review or reviews, my Microsoft was roughly at 13 shares. My Broadcom was at 4, and Broadcom is roughly at over $1,000 per share. So I was able to add two more shares of Broadcom. My Apple shares was at 20. I've been buying Apple a lot. I've been buying Apple a lot and been able to get my Apple position to 32 shares. My Mo shares to $128. I really been grinding. Seriously, really been grinding. Been getting my Kroger shares up. I plan on buying $950 worth of Kroger in the next couple of days. So this should push this up to upper 3,000, close to $4,000. I've been I started a new position at Chevron. I've been increasing Chevron, right? And I started a new position in the Caliper, almost close to three and a half shares, and And in the new year, I plan on buying a lot more of Costco and Visa. Let's talk about it. In the month of how we're going to show you how much I've made for the month of December, and then how much I made overall in the year. Because guess what? That's why you guys are here, right? So we're going to take the 2024 numbers because 2023 just passed, and I should have just did the video yesterday, but I was so tired. I was sleepy in the fireworks. Happy New Year, everybody. So in December, I made $161 and I received, well, it's already in January, but I received a dividend from Broadcom, Chevron, Home Depot, Kroger. But the best way to really show you is this right here. This is the more clear view. So if this you be able to see, I received $31 from Broadcom, $19 from Chevron, $22 from Home Depot, $17 from Kroger, $13 from McDonald's, $14 from Microsoft. The increase in my Microsoft. Microsoft is kind of hard because Microsoft has a dividend yield of 0.7, and so to get it this far, I know people who have like a substantial position in Microsoft, and their position paying them like 100, 150, 300, 300. That's how you know they have substantial amount of money into Microsoft, and then also they've been letting their money compound. That's the key. Time in the market beats timing the market. What else? $28 in Snap On and $1 in Visa. That will be a lot more towards the end of 2024. I promise you, because I'm going to be buying roughly $2,000 worth of Visa for 2024. So overall, I made $1,300 for the month of 2023. That is a lot lower. Not gonna lie to you, it's a lot lower. It with this, I know. Last year I made upwards of. Last year I made $1,400, and I was on pace this year to make. Honestly, yeah, I was on pace. To be honest with you, transparent with you guys, I was on pace to make $1,700 to $1,800 by the end of this month, the end of this year. I had EPD, I had OBDC. OBDC is a stock that has it's uh, a business development company that's 10%. And in the enterprise product, it's roughly like 6, 7% yield. And I also had ARCC. Those three companies right there, each individually paid me roughly. ARCC and OBDC alone paid me 150 each. So that's $300 right there. And then OBDC was supposed to pay me upwards of maybe $120, $125. So you quickly do the math. If I'm making 13, 18 right now, and just those substantial stocks that I sold, uh, yeah. So that's what a lot of my income, and then also me selling realty income, right? And so I'm it's like, Kadera, why? I'm 35 years old, and I can easily buy those stocks back uh, when I'm getting close to ready to retire. I still my goal is to hit the 100K, and I've noticed that you can buy those stocks. There's nothing wrong with that because I want to add VT properties into my portfolio. I'll show you guys my portfolio. Let's go into right here. Here's my portfolio. I can easily I can easily I can easily it's like every time it's like when I'm trying to record, it gets stuck for some reason. My portfolio gets stuck when I'm not recording. It doesn't do this. Uh, okay, cool. here it is. So here's the portfolio and whatnot. Is that $50,663. I want my portfolio to compound and hit 100K. If I'm buying high yielders, I'm not hitting my goal to the way I want it to. That's the best way to explain it. As you see right here, you have my Broadcom, that's high growth. You have my AbbVie, you have my Eli Lilly, JP Morgan Chase, United Healthcare, Visa. You got my Apple, you got my Microsoft, you got my high hitters. So if you look at here, what is my future portfolio outlook? In 5 years, right here, I'm trying. I want my portfolio to hit. So I said I wanted to hit it about 3 years. It says in 5 years, my portfolio balance will be roughly 169,000. That's how you show you that by investing $1,000 to $1,200 per month, I should hit my goal of 100K in 3.5 years, and then the growth of the dividends and reinvesting, and then the bull market, hopefully in 5 years, will increase to 169,000. If I'm 35 now and I want to plan to retire in 15 years, that would put me at a portfolio balance of $814,000 and dividend income of $22,000. Then now from there, the stocks right here, as you see up here, the stocks up here, the Microsofts of the world, the Aapl, the Eli Lilly, the Costco, the Visa, the United Healthcare, the Nvidia. Then once that grow, then what happens is that 15 years of growth, I will then trim the growth of a lot of those stocks. And then once I have $150,000, $200,000, maybe $300,000, right? Then I will sell it off, pay the taxes, and then use that money and invest into some high yielders. Because then from there on, I will let my winners continue to win. My Microsoft, my Apples of the world, my MSCI, my United Healthcare, et cetera, right? And then the rest I will invest into ARCC, OBDC again, maybe EPD, right? And then from there on, right here, this yearly income pie will increase from $22,000 to $40,000, $45,000, maybe $50,000. Then right then and on, I'm good. Then from there on, I can sell my house, and then uh, by the time I bought my house at 175,000, right now 2024 it's worth 255,000, and so add on a couple more years, if I sell my house at $300,000, $350,000, now I have a profit of over $100,000 liquid cash. Sell it, fix up the house, whatever. Take a profit of at least 125, 150K. Then also be living off of dividends of $45 to $50,000. And then also, I also have crypto. Got some crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and then from there on, I can sell some of that, pay off my student loans. If my student loans ain't all the way paid up by then, I've been paying on that, and from there on, I'm coasting where I'm sacrificing a lot of the income and the yield in the beginning, the front end, so I can compound my money on these low yielders 15, 20, 25 years out. And guess what? I'm still, when I'm ready to retire, I'm still going to have certain stocks that's going to continue to run. For example, like MSCI or United Healthcare or whatever my stocks that like heavy hitters are going to run. I probably sell like Aapl or probably sell like MSCI, the whole thing, but then I'll probably take profit from United Healthcare, uh, receive dividends from Microsoft or whatnot, and then I'll still have a portion of the portfolio to continue to reinvest in itself to continue to grow. So overall, I'll be receiving some dividends from ARCC, OBDC, but then the goal is to have maybe a portion of one or two stocks in the portfolio reinvesting in itself to grow more, so that I'm not uh, so I'm not suffering if you really think about it. So that's why, as you see right here, I want to show you guys the portfolio right here. I'm at 50,000 right now. That the reason why, I was at roughly $1,700, $1,800. Why I decided to take a step back to grow the dividend, and invest a lot of low yielding stocks. So that's why now, as you see, uh, in my portfolio, I have a lot of low yielders. Uh, I have, I have Visa, Microsoft, I have Costco, I have Apple, Costco, Microsoft, Visa, MSCI, and then I have Bro Rich, and then also even Caterpillar. Caterpillar is 1.76%, and then we didn't even talk about Broadcom. Broadcom is under 2%, but the growth of that is massive and just crazy. So that's the game plan. So overall for 2023, I made over $1,300. I started out with my dividend growth portfolio. I started out with a lot of low yielders. I showed you guys what I plan on doing in regards to in the new year. Started a position in United Healthcare, increased my position in Kroger, JP Morgan Chase, started a new position in SCHD, started a new position with Aflac, and also continue to contribute to my winners. And as you see right here, this is how I plan on breaking my money out, spending roughly $1,000 to $1,200 per month to help me get to my goal. Roll to 100K, still in full effect. Thank you guys for making sure you came and to look at my portfolio. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And I'm out, baby. Let's get this money. Ah! Yeah.